Yo, what's up YouTube? So today I got another case for you guys. It's another Spigen case, but it's for the iPhone 6 this time. And the Spigen case is for an iPhone 6. It's gonna be the color mint color. And yeah, I've used the iPhone 6 Plus with another Spigen case, and it was pretty decent. So I'm gonna try this one out, hoping I get the same results. So let's unbox this, guys. So there's a tape thing on the top for you to cut. You open it up, you get the case. You get the paper that makes it authentic. And was it just paper, Spigen paper. So let's get to the case. The case feels basically exactly the same as the other review. It's pretty sturdy. The side's not that bad. So, but there's a blue film that you gotta take up. So, and last time this blue film was hard to take up. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm guessing it's about the same. It's pretty hard to. I like to start in the corner of the what's this called, the camera lens, and peel it there, and then work my way around there, because that's the only cutout you really have. Almost got it. It'll work a lot better if you have nails. So if you're a girl out there, should be relatively easy. Pop the case in. There we go. There's also a blue film in the back that you gotta peel up. Again, I would try to do it from the camera lens area. This would show that it is a clear gold iPhone with the mint color siding. And all the buttons are visible. You got the volume rocker right here that's covered, and it has a cutout for it, so you guys can see. An exposed vibrate button, a power button. You guys can see that power button. And on the bottom, we have our lightning bolt connector, our speaker, and then our headphone jack. So, alright guys, so this is unboxing and first look at the Spigen mint color iPhone 6 case. And I'll get back with you in a week and see how this case holds up. So subscribe and click the annotation of the iPhone if I already have the video up for the week review. So catch you guys later. Peace.